Good morning, and once again, welcome to my YouTube channel, Maths with Ease. And originally, we are expected, we had a figure that is on slide number 10 of the Form 1 topic, scale drawing. And the figure was just showing all this line from A to B, C, D, E, and then um, F, this is point G, yes, point G and H. And we are supposed to find the area of that figure. And before then, we did not have this line, but let me just explain how I came up with shape A, shape B. And this shape seems to be irregular. And for us to find the shape of irregular, or rather the area of irregular shapes, we need to divide that shape into regular shapes. So I had to draw a line from this point B to this point and make a rectangle A, and then a line from D all the way to this particular point to make this triangle B. And then this line is parallel to this. I made this trapezium C. And then this line from this point to this end, I have come up with a rectangle D. And then finally, there is a rectangle E and triangle F. So for us to get the area of each and every shape, now we have to start with the shape of A, and this could be the length and this could be the width. It's a rectangle. The x value, the x coordinate of this particular point is 6, and the x coordinate of this particular point is 10. So 6 all the way to 10. How many steps? 4 steps or 4 units. The x value, or rather the y value of this particular point is 8, and the y value is 10. So how many steps? 2.2 steps or 2 units. So the area of A is basically 4 times 2, which is 8 centimeters squared. Let's go to B. The area of B is a triangle. There is a base here. The x value here is the x value here you can see is 10, and the x value here is 12. So how many steps? How many units? 2. 12 minus 10 is 2. What about the y value? The y value is here is 6, and the y value here is 10. So the whole of this height from here to here is 4 steps. You can see this is already 2 steps because the x here is 6, the y here is 6, and the y here is 8. So the area of that triangle, according to half times base, which is 2, times height, which is 4, this is come by 2 by 2, 1, 4 centimeter squared. That is the area of shape B. What about the area of shape C? This one is a trapezium. We can talk about a trapezium. We can get the area of the whole trapezium as this. We can talk about this length is parallel to this length. We can see the perpendicular height is 2. So this length, the value of x here is 4. The value of x here is 10. So what is this length? This length is 4 or 10 minus 4, which is a 6. It's a 6. So the area of a trapezium, which is shape C, is half of the sum of the two parallel sides, which is 4 plus 6, which is 10. You multiply by the perpendicular height, which is 2. By 2 by 2, this is 10 centimeter square. That is as far as C is concerned. What about D? The shape of D is a rectangle. The area of x here is 4. The area of x here is 12. So what is this? What is this length? This is 8. In fact, you can find it here. 6 plus 2 is 8. What about the height? 4 all the way to 6. What are the steps? 2. Um, you can talk about 8 times 2, which is 16, or rather 16 centimeters square. 8 times 2, which is 16 centimeters square. And now we are at rectangle E. Again, from 4 to 8, we have 4 units, and then from 2 to 4, we have 2 units there. So 4 times 2, which is 8 centimeter squared. And finally, F, which is a half, it's a triangle. What is the base? The base is this one. So from 2 to 4, which is 2, and then the height from this particular point to this point. And this we had 8. We had 8 here. That means that is 4, and this is 4, because this is also 4. So you can have half times base times height times 4. And again, this is 4 centimeters squared. Add all this, you will get 8 plus 4, that is 12, plus 10, 22, plus 16, 38, plus 12, which is 50 centimeters square. Let's just confirm that. 8 plus 4 plus 10 plus 16 plus 12 is 50 centimeters square. Alternatively, you can see that each and every square represent 1 centimeter. So you can count the number of squares. Like from here to here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 squares, 4 centimeters. From here to here again, the y-axis, 1 square represent 1 centimeter. Again, 1, 2, 2 centimeters. So you can easily count the number of squares and still come up with your answer as 50 centimeters squared. That is the area of that shape. All right. Subscribe widely into my YouTube channel, and of course hit that bell so that every time we have a new video, you will be the first one to be notified. Thank you.